So the best email marketing software for 2020 is, we'll get there, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know what the best email marketing software is for 2020. And it's not going to be a very long video, I promise. I'm Daryl Ballard. If we've never met before, thank you for joining me here, where we talk about how you can have a profitable YouTube channel so you can escape the rat race and live life on your terms. So we generally talk about YouTube channels, but now we're talking about an autoresponder. What's this for? Well, to monetize your channel early on, as we've discussed in a couple of previous videos, before you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you have to be a little more creative. And you need a couple of tools. You need a few different techniques to do that. If you missed those videos about some of the other tools and techniques that you need, I've made a playlist with all of those. We have about 4 videos in that playlist now. There's a link for that in the description below. Check that out if you missed anything. But for now, let's get started talking about the best autoresponder. What were my criteria for choosing the best autoresponder? Well, there are 3. We want an autoresponder that you can do affiliate marketing on. And a lot of autoresponders don't allow you to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling other people's stuff, and it's a great way to monetize your channel early on. So we want to be able to use affiliate marketing. Number 2, it needs to be cost effective, especially early on when you're just starting your channel. And finally, number 3, it needs to be easy to use, and it needs to do automation well. After all, you don't really want an autoresponder. Maybe you wouldn't even call it an autoresponder if you have to babysit it all the time. And what are our choices? Well, I used 7 of the most commonly used autoresponders. Those are MailChimp, Convertkit, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, AWeber, Sendlane, and GetResponse. Okay, so those are the 7, and we're going to analyze them using those 3 criteria. And you're going to find that very early, quite a few of them don't make the list. Let's start with MailChimp. Now, MailChimp is very affordable. In fact, there's a free version of it that I think gets you up to a list of 1,000. That would be great. We always love free. But there's one problem with MailChimp. They don't like affiliate marketers. Here is the acceptable use policy for MailChimp. And you see on there, no affiliate marketing. Now, why is that? There's several of them that are going to be that way. Those who do affiliate marketing, there is a higher rate of spam that goes on. There's a higher rate of people who aren't doing acceptable, ethical things. So that's why they rule those out. It's not like there's anything wrong with affiliate marketing. If you're doing things in an honest, ethical way, affiliate marketing is fine, but that's why some of these don't allow that. The second one is Convertkit. It is a really good autoresponder with a very high open rate. But again, they don't accept affiliate marketers. Here again is Convertkit's acceptable use policy, and you see affiliate marketers aren't allowed. The third one is ActiveCampaign. And I know some people who are involved in affiliate marketing use ActiveCampaign, and it does have some very powerful things that you can do with it. But as you see in their acceptable use policy, they're not real excited about affiliate marketers either. So you have to be very careful, and you have to know exactly what to do. That's just not something that I want to use, where I have to constantly be afraid that I'm going to lose my autoresponder. So I choose not to use it, and it didn't make the list either. And then there's number 4, Constant Contact. But again, we have the same problem. Here's their acceptable use policy. No affiliate marketing. Again, it's just, what would we say, not affiliate marketing friendly. There are some people who have been able to make it work, but you have to be really careful. Again, it doesn't make number 1. And then there's AWeber, a very common one that people use. I couldn't actually find their acceptable use policy. They don't really publish that. But I know from personal experience and from reading a lot of other people's experiences that again, you're going to have trouble with doing affiliate marketing if you're using AWeber. I used it in the past, but I chose not to because I was always right on the edge and I wasn't doing anything, you know, illegal, unethical, anything like that. But you just have to be really careful. And to me, it's just easier to avoid those things. So AWeber doesn't make number one either. All right, we have two more that we're going to talk about. And the good news is that both of these work well for affiliate marketing. The first one of those, number 6 on our list, is Sendlane. Now, Sendlane loves affiliate marketers, so you're not going to have any trouble with that. Sendlane is a good and powerful autoresponder and highly recommended by a lot of people. The one thing I was looking at here, and I want to show you that, is Sendlane's cost. Here's their price list, and as you can see, Sendlane starts out at $79 a month. That does take you clear up to 5,000 on your email list, which you may not have for quite a while, but it's $79 a month. And then we get to the last one on our list, number 7, and that's GetResponse. Now, as you can see from their price list, GetResponse starts out at $15 a month, and that goes clear up to 1,000 emails. And if I put 5,000 emails in the box here, you see it's only $45 a month. So we have not only that they are friendly to affiliate marketing, but that they are considerably more affordable than the other option. And the third criteria, how does GetResponse do with that? Well, the third criteria was easy to use and automation. So I want to very quickly show you how you automate and how easy it is to do that with GetResponse. Okay, I'm in my GetResponse account here, and I'm going to click on the menu item and go into automation. Just want to show you how easy this is to set up. We're going to create a new workflow. I'm going to create it from scratch. And we're just going to name it test. And fortunately it says it has to be 4 letters. That's good enough. And we're going to put someone that subscribes. Okay, so they've subscribed by any method. We're going to change that. We're going to select a specific list. And I didn't create a special list to do this, but we'll just choose one of my lists here. Okay, we're going to add an element, and we're going to add a message. So we just drag this up here and connect it there. So that will automatically happen, and that will be immediate as soon as they subscribe. Okay, now if I want to choose a message to go in there, and just click on that, and then I have to choose what type of message here, and if you start doing this, you'll understand what these are. You create newsletters, automations, you may save something as a draft. Let's say I have something saved as a draft that I want to put in here. So all my drafts come up here. I can scroll through them, choose the one I want. Now, since that's a draft, it's going to ask me to make it into an automation letter. I would just hit apply, and then it would put that in there. Okay, I don't even know what that is, so I'm not going to change the form of it. And let's add another element. Let's say we wanted to wait 1 day for our next message to go out, and 1 day is the default. And then we put another message up here. Of course, we select what message we want for that one as well. So we click on that, and we go up here and put, let's say we wanted to wait 2 days. Put that in there. Okay. All right, now let's say at our next message, we wanted to have 2 choices. Let's say the message was opened or the message was not opened. Okay, so if it was opened, we're going to send this message. If it was not opened, we're going to send this message. Whatever you want to do there. Okay, now that's just the very basics. There's a lot of things that you can do with that. You can wait any number of days, that sort of thing. Okay, but I think you get the idea of how easy it is to set up an automation so that people are automatically getting the messages that you want to send them. So the best email marketing software for 2020 is GetResponse. If you'd like to try GetResponse, click the first link below and get a 14-day free trial. And stay tuned to my channel for a full tutorial on GetResponse. If you're interested in how you can have that highly profitable YouTube channel that will help you escape the rat race, check out my free 38-minute masterclass, the highly profitable YouTube channel. Click the second link in the description below this video. And what should you do next? If you want to find out how to increase your affiliate marketing sales, watch this video right here. I'm Daryl Ballard, and we will see you next time.